Welcome to the course. Welcome to the NASDAQ 100 and US 30 trading course, presented by me, your host, Stan. In this course, you're going to learn a great deal about NASDAQ 100 and US 30. Bear in mind, these indices are pretty much the same, but the setups vary at certain points. But just know one thing, I'm going to give you one step-by-step method in order to trade these markets successfully. It's known, even though it's a lie, that the markets change every single day, so you need to adjust your strategy. But this thing that everyone quote unquote knows is actually a lie. There are 5 specific times that we will be trading at that I'll share with you. And at the end of this course, I believe that you will know everything that you need to know. And you'll be able to trade confidently in the markets with this professional NASDAQ 100 and US 30 strategy that has given me profits over the past 2 years. So bear in mind, this course will give you a great deal of confidence and fearlessness when it comes to approaching the markets. So stay tuned and we'll go into the first lecture.